lovely people, welcome back to Adeze's Food Diary. So today we are cooking up a delicious okra soup. The ingredients are listed on the screen, so let's get started. We'll start by washing and chopping our okra into bite-sized pieces, and then next we're going to season our protein, starting with our beef. We'll season with seasoning cubes and onions, and then in another pot we're going to season our fish with seasoning cubes and onions. Then we'll let that boil for a bit before adding our dry fish and stockfish, and then we'll stir and allow it to boil. After a minute of boiling, we'll add our beef, and then while that boils, we'll pour in our already grounded Ogbono seed, and then palm oil, fresh pepper, and then salt. Then we're going to stir it and allow it to boil. Now, although I didn't capture this step on camera, please go ahead to add water as needed to achieve your desired soup consistency. Next, we're going to add in our grinded Uziza seed, crayfish and Okpei, and then we're going to stir that and allow it to boil. After that has boiled, we're now going to add in our okra and then mix properly. After that, we're going to add in our Uziza leaf and pumpkin leaf. I went in with my Uziza leaf first and then my pumpkin leaf. And then we're going to give that a good stir, allow it to boil, and then our delicious okra soup is ready. I'll be leaving the full ingredients list in the description below, so please don't forget to check that out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notification so you don't miss any of my tasty recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!